Hello, parents. Welcome to my virtual open house. Um, my name is Vincent Nguyen. I graduated from Texas State University in San Marcos. I got my master's degree from the University of Texas Arlington in curriculum and instruction in mathematics. Um, this is my 11th year with the district and my 6th year at Vista High School and my 3rd year with my ESL Dream Team. We are the best in the district, and I am happy to be here. I love my Vista Rich family and I love my students. Um, on top of that, I love math. This year, I am teaching 4 math classes: Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, and are newly added to the Shelter Instruction College Prep Math, CPM for short. I want to share with you my teacher website, and I'm going to go over this fairly quickly because you can check this out later. It is available in uh, Google Classroom, or you can do a faculty search really quick and you can access my website. On my website, you have access to your child's classes. And let's just take an example for geometry here. If you click on geometry down here, you will have the access to the student calendar and resources, which is the most important document that you should have. It has access to my website, daily meeting agendas, Zoom link, my class syllabus, Vista Rich Bell schedule, and the Google Classroom code. It also has my tutorial times listed here, and it has all the resources that the student needs for the class by date. So it has the lessons and the videos, the practice, and the quizzes if we have quizzes for that day. So this is a one-stop shop for students. I highly recommend that students bookmark this. Um, moving on, the best way to reach me is through email. So please don't hesitate to reach out to me anytime you have questions or concern. Um, my hope for the class is to build a lasting relationship with my students and create a good learning experience for them. Um, because we want them to be the best for the world, and we want to try to model that every day for them. Here's your homework. I sent out the invitation to join Google Classroom, so please, parents, go join Google Classroom as a parent so you can stay in communication and help support your child. Um, I have a separate video to show your child how to do virtual school successfully, so I'm going to link that to this video. Thank you for your time, and I'm looking forward to working with you and with your child for this school year. Bye bye.